Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I got a fun recipe to share with all y'all today. We're gonna make some colorful, magical rainbow cupcakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're gonna top it with a buttercream frosting. How yummy does that sound? And this is a great recipe to make with your kids and great for birthday parties or any time of the year. Everybody's gonna fall in love with these magical goodies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cupcake recipes playlist and my previous video, homemade strawberry soda. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cupcake liners, your food coloring, and your sprinkled sugar, because we're about to bake some rainbow cupcake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is measure up the dry ingredients. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm using my 1/2 cup measurement, so we're going to use this 3 times. Going to fluff it up. Scoop it out. And using my butter knife, we're just going to level it off. Like so. Voila, perfect 1/2 cup. Just gonna put it into my sifter. That's 2. And 3. I'm going to sift this, or you can whisk it. So now we're going to set the flour aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient. And in 2-ounce milk, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature. Going to stir all these together until it's well combined. And then we're going to set this aside. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. And in 2-ounce butter we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And we're going to mix these in until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, so now we're going to add in the flour, alternately with the milk and sour cream mixture. Going to begin and end with flour. Alright, last of the flour. And mix this in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the cake batter. Nice, smooth, and luscious. That looks great. Alrighty, now it's time for the fun part. Time to divide them in 6 bowls. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got my 6 bowls of batter together. Now ready to pour the food coloring. In this bowl here, we're going to add in some red. And in this bowl, we're going to add in some orange. In this bowl, we're going to add in some yellow. In this bowl, going to add in some green. In this bowl, going to add in some blue. And in this bowl, going to add in some purple. Just going to stir it until we get the desired color we want. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stir all my coloring in, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my colors together. Now ready to fill our cupcakes. We're going to fill them up into 12 cupcake liners. So we're going to start with the purple. Just a little. Next is the blue. Now the green. Alright, next is the yellow. The orange. And last but not least, the red. Just like that. And all you do is repeat the process. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling up my cupcakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my cupcakes together. Look at that beautiful batter, so colorful. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 18 to 22 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. I have taken my rainbow cupcakes out of the oven, and I set them on the wire rack to cool completely. And while they're cooling, we can get started on our luscious buttercream frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, to our butter, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract, and 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. And mix these together until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, while the mix is on low, we're going to slowly add in 1 pound of powdered sugar that's sifted, and I'll also add in a pinch of salt. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. And mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, I have placed my cupcakes onto my cake stand, and they're nice and cool. We're ready to pipe. I have placed my buttercream frosting in the piping bag using a 1M star piping tip. I'm just going to pipe it all around. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish piping my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through piping my cupcakes. There's one more thing we gotta add to them. Some rainbow sprinkles. And sprinkle some right on top. Like so. Just like that. Pretty and festive. And there you have it, my friends. Rainbow cupcakes. Those look so delicious and colorful. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cupcake. Look at the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Moist and flavorful. And that buttercream icing is spot on, magnificent. These rainbow cupcakes are awesome, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Rainbow cupcake luscious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.